Good morning. Hey, this is Rosa. Hopefully your favorite real estate broker. It is Saturday morning and I am excited because we are conducting an open house this morning. In fact, we are going to be here from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. sharp. Probably not 1 minute afterwards because I have things to do with my wife this afternoon. But if you have thought about getting into the investment game, right? If you have thought about, wow, I want to start building a portfolio of real estate. Well, here is the excellent property for you. The bathrooms have been remodeled. The kitchens have been remodeled. It's in excellent shape. In fact, it is ready for you to just buy it and start collecting the rent. Right now, it brings in over $3,100 a month, and there's more opportunities with that, with the garages in the back as well. So, if you have been thinking about getting into the investment game, you want to buy a property that's in an excellent area right behind me here in West Hartford, Connecticut, stop by 45 Fairlawn here in West Hartford, and I would love to see you. I'll even give you a little present, and I can help you every step of the way. Either build your portfolio or get started on one. Hopefully you're having an awesome morning. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.